Kuta Reef supposedly sports a pretty tidy break. During the dry season it can be 6 foot or more, I've heard. But it's not the dry season, we're just out of it. So until the end of October, we're in November now. So first things first, find myself a boat. With a roof, I reckon. I have a boat. You have a boat?
Yeah.
Ah, you have the roof?
No. Yes, I have roof.
You have?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, okay. I'm just to Kuta Reef.
Kuta Reef up there.
Yeah, just... This is it just here?
Yeah, you come up there. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much would that be?
How long?
Well, just go for the camera, have a look, any surfers, and then come back.
It's 200.
So maybe just like maybe half an hour or 20 minutes or even 15 minutes. Just go out, along, come back.
200, yeah.
So more like, I heard it's like, so to go out, how much is it to go out to the surf? Just for surfing?
100.
I thought 50. Everybody told me 50. So maybe we can do like a 80.
I'm sorry.
No? So you want 100?
I'm sorry.
No? Just 200? Okay, thank you. And you don't have a roof, huh?
Maybe 150.
I think 100 is good. Yeah, I have to look elsewhere. Maybe go down here.
Where do you want to go?
Just 15 minutes, okay. Maybe we have it. I think that's a yes. Not a very happy one, is it? I think it's a yes. Or maybe he's talking to his friend. No, I think it's a yes. So that's it. Kuta Reef, there's nothing there. It's like looks like not even 1 foot. It's about 800 meters out to the break. So yeah, I don't think that it's going to be exactly happening. Well, he just started walking and getting into his boat, so I assume that's a yes. Not a happy chappy. That's alright. Pretty tidy, eh? Friend, apa nama?
Ketut.
Ketut?
Yeah.
Ya, saya Madai Warren.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia?
Yeah.
Yes, good, yeah?
Yeah, of course, but Bali better.
Yeah.
Do you love it? I just love the water, and I'm probably just going to jump in, but just remind me to take my money and my keys out of my pocket and do that. beach over there. Slowing down a little. Maybe he's navigating. The tide is it's not mid yet. I checked it. Low tide was 5:30. So yeah, he's navigating. It's pretty shallow. Not sure what you'll see on the GoPro, but I mean, I could bring the bigger camera out in this, no problem, but I was expecting a spray, you know, off the massive waves that are about 6 inches, but it doesn't matter. Like, I just wanted to get out on the water. That's a solid 6 inches, maybe 4 inches. Beautiful morning, Kuta Reef, November. Beautiful view of the airport. Yeah, okay, so I wouldn't have wanted to bring the camera. This is the GoPro, so I wouldn't have wanted to bring a camera that can't handle any water, because there was enough spray almost there. Just going to come back because there's nothing happening surf wise, and we're just going to swing around. I'm happy with that. Like, you know, as they scream, majorly ripped off, dude, because the surf dude has to always be in an American accent. Sorry to my American subscriber friends. When I talk about, you know, different countries, I'm not saying good or bad. Australians sort of have this sense of humor that it's like, oh, those bloody Americans, man, you know, like we don't really particularly think anything bad about anyone.
Mesti kan mesti goblok 5 ya ke bang keluar je 2 kan oh. Pasal kita tadi pilih keluar ikan itu. Pokoknya amplek di keluar tu, ya berdua ke dak palang ke tiang ya. Kalau ben pedih saja lainnya di nyat ya. Onde alduni.
So what I'll get you to do is just Google that, translate it for me, and come back in the comments. If I was those waves, I wouldn't have bothered coming into work today. It's like, just have the whole day off. Like, why bother with that? Maybe they're just trying, like, oh look, we're trying, but we just haven't got enough wind. very happy one, but good man. There's a great warung here. I haven't eaten there, but I've had a beer. But yeah, it's a lovely lady and husband. Just here, this one. I'll just walk through here. But yeah, sat there last night. Selamat pagi.
Halo, apa kabar?
Baik. Kuta Reef. Done and dusted.